Wellesley resident Sara Azzam Frost was honored at the Westin Hotel in Boston by the MGH Cancer Institute as one of their 100 most influential people in the wake of cancer prevention. Sara has been the president of the Wellesley Cancer Prevention Project since 2003 and has been a major influence in such projects as ensuring a safer turf was used on Sprague Field and keeping herbicides out of Moore's Pond. Sara, who lost her father to cancer, was very honored to receive this award.
Well, on Wednesday evening, I'm going to be interviewed by Mass General Hospital as part of their 100, which is 100 people in Massachusetts who have made some contribution in the area of cancer or cancer research. I've been involved in two different organizations. One is here in Wellesley. It's our local cancer prevention group called the Wellesley Cancer Prevention Project. They ran a big town forum in 2001, and that's how I found out about them. Joined on to the group and became president in 2003. So I've been serving as their president ever since. One of the things that interested me was because one of the forms of cancer that we had in Wellesley that was more prevalent was a type of cancer called multiple myeloma. And my father had passed away from multiple myeloma. So at a point in time where not a whole lot was known about the disease. So that was my initial point of reference. My mother was also diagnosed with breast cancer 10 years ago, and we're happy to say that she is a breast cancer survivor. So after that diagnosis, that kind of more intensely fueled my desire to be involved in cancer prevention work. I also have been pretty active in another group that's based in Connecticut called the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. Although they're based in Connecticut, they have races for research all over the country. And I have run in that race now for probably about 7 or 8 years. The good thing about multiple myeloma is that the people are living longer with it. My dad only lived for 2 years, but people are living much longer because of the research that's been done, and that's also inspiring is knowing that there are people out there that do make a difference. I have gone around and done seminars on the hazardous chemicals in personal care products. That's been a big target of my own personal work, is taking that workshop to various mothers groups and high school and middle school groups, and trying to educate people that there is no governing body that oversees chemicals in personal care products like there are with chemicals in so many other products, and just teaching people that there are safer alternatives. I write articles for our town newspaper, sort of editorial stuff, on a lot of the topics that the Wellesley Cancer Prevention Project has covered. As I understand, some of the people that I'm being honored with are nurses from Mass General's oncology department, doctors, cancer researchers, hospice providers, and posthumously Ted Kennedy, which is quite an honor to be in that group. My mother flew in this morning from Michigan, all the way from Michigan, to be part of this because she was so proud. And I guess my family's proud of me too. I am rather overwhelmed and very, very honored, very touched, glad that somewhere out there my work has made a difference and is of some significance.